In this tutorial, we will show you how you can make good-looking diagrams in OpenMind, and also how you can make your own formatting themes. Firstly, we will show you how to format the text in a bubble. Double-click the bubble to open the text editor. Highlight the text that you wish to format, then use the tools available in the editor. You can change the font size, the alignment, and the color. You can change the formatting of the bubble itself, using the bubble toolbar. To change the fill color, select the bubble, then select the fill button. This lets you select a color using the color picker. The color picker has an advanced menu which lets you fine-tune the selected color. You can change the fill style using the next button along. There is a choice of different radial and linear gradient fills. The border color can be set in a similar way to the fill color. The color picker will show a list of recently used colors which you can use. You can change the thickness and style of stroke using the last two drop-down menus. The dotted and dashed borders are helpful for drawing attention to important information. You can set the background color by right-clicking the background, and selecting the background button. There are a wide selection of formatting options for connections too. There are 4 choices of line style: straight, dashed, smooth, and trunk. The advantage of the trunk line style is that you can easily fit many bubbles in a small space. Now that we have created a style that we like, we may want to save it for future use. We can create a custom theme by clicking on Themes, then clicking Create. This opens a dialog that lets you name the theme. Now, if we create a new document, and create some new bubbles, we can apply this theme to them. Subsequent bubbles added to the diagram will adopt this theme as well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You can try this software for free by downloading it from our website, openmindsoftware.org.